Football SA.
Football
This is us, yes. We talk Football SA.
Yeah.
Mfowethu, Mamelodi Sundowns 3,
Yeah.
Polokwane City 0.
Yeah.
Ungathini ngomdlalo?
Bithi, I'm very, very relieved.
Yes.
Ngale game. I was very, very skeptical looking at how they treated us at Polokwane.
Yes.
So today, iSundowns improvile ukuthi amandla sisesenawo. We will go until the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you win the league?
We are going to win the league.
Yeah.
We are going to win the league.
But Pirates is right here behind you.
We can see Pirates, they're always doing such things, but now this is a different year.
Yes.
We are happy because there's someone who's giving us a competition,
Yeah.
but the Sundowns are the owners of the league.
Yes.
Yes.
So-
So further notice,
When is the further notice?
further notice will be at least after these 2 games. Then,
Yeah.
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 For now, we're still the owners of the league.
So what is the secret at Sundowns? Because you feel different players, but they give you the same or more performance.
You know, I would say when it comes to Sundowns, everyone is available to this part.
Yes.
Is available. They are giving their 100%. No one is pulling backwards. Everyone is going forward, as you
Yes.
can see.
Yes.
Everyone is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the players to the supporters, like I'm saying, I'm ready to take the league again this year.
No, I'm impressed with the way Sundowns fans are starting to attend games.
Yeah.
What's the secret behind?
They don't disappoint.
Yeah.
They do not disappoint.
Yes.
Including the child at school, if he performs, the parent will always be there.
Yes.
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 They don't disappoint. We don't
Yeah.
get disappointments from
Yes.
Sundowns.
I cannot let you go before asking this. Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday, against Chiefs.
Against Chiefs.
What's your take?
It looks like it's going to be similar like here.
Yeah.
For me, it looks like it's going to be the repeat of this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or even more.
Even more.
Even more.
Uyamazi Silva.
Silver from Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kunzima ukuthi ngiyamazi because angazi nix ayenzile.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very difficult to say ngiyamazi
Yes.
because nase newspaper ngakamboni.
Yes. Thanks, my brother. Your name again?
My name is Lucky Mutsweni.
Let's meet online. We talk Football SA. We're going to upload before you go to sleep.
Football
You
SA.
can take a photo if you
Okay.
like.